Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI for web design. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we approach website creation, making the process faster and more intuitive. Imagine automating tedious tasks, generating initial design concepts in mere seconds, and even personalizing user experiences on a massive scale. AI empowers designers to focus on creativity and strategy, rather than getting bogged down in repetitive work. It's about enhancing efficiency and delivering exceptional digital experiences. When generating designs with AI, you simply provide text prompts or existing content. The AI then quickly produces multiple design drafts, offering a range of templates and style suggestions. This allows for rapid prototyping, often reducing initial design time by up to 70%. You can easily customize elements like colors, fonts, and layouts, making iterative changes in just a few clicks. This accelerates the entire design cycle, from concept to refinement. AI significantly enhances content and user experience. It analyzes vast amounts of user data to suggest optimal content placement and personalize website elements for each visitor. Imagine a site that adapts to individual preferences, offering a truly unique journey. AI can also generate compelling copy and suggest relevant images, improving engagement by 20 to 30%. Furthermore, A/B testing becomes streamlined, quickly identifying the most effective design choices. Looking ahead, AI will continue to revolutionize web design, making sites more accessible and responsive across all devices. Predictive analytics will anticipate user needs, allowing for proactive design adjustments. This shift empowers designers to move beyond routine tasks, focusing instead on strategic thinking and innovative solutions. Ultimately, integrating AI leads to significantly more efficient and impactful web development, delivering superior digital experiences for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.